Hey guys, in this video I will go over how to set up a 360 camera with the RESolute Capture app. Quick, you will need an iPad, a 360 camera, and note the app is only compatible with Insta360 and either the Theta Z1 or X. And then some kind of pole with a mounting system to set up both your camera and the iPad. Next, you will need to place your iPad into the mount and then secure whatever 360 camera you choose to have at the top of your pole. Once secured, let's begin by turning on the camera. Next, let's open the iPad and go into Settings, and under Wi-Fi, let's select the camera we will be using. For this video, I'm using a Theta. Once connected, let's navigate out of the settings and into the RESolute Capture app and get into our project. Once the project is open, the first thing we need to do is unlock our screen by pressing the lock icon in the top toolbar. Once it's unlocked, we will be able to set our locations and capture images. Now let's tap the screen to set a location. If this is the first time, the camera will capture an image immediately, and then a pop-up window will appear with a thumbnail image, an option to capture another 360 image, and/or an option to delete the image. If you tap the thumbnail, a larger image appears, and we can do a quick quality check for blurring and/or lighting issues. If everything looks good, we can now move throughout our space, adding locations and images to our section. Once complete, navigate back into Settings, and in the Wi-Fi, let's go ahead and disconnect from our camera and reconnect to the internet. Once connected, navigate back into the project and select the Sync button at the top right of the screen. Give it a few minutes to sync up to the cloud, but while it does, there is a window that pops up and gives a status update. After it completes the sync, it will have a pop-up that lets you know if there were any errors. If nothing is wrong, we can now go back to our desktop, log in and review our project before sharing it with other users. And there you have it. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to contact us and someone from support will get back to you shortly.